Let's dive right into these health benefits. It's good for weight loss, eczema, acne, burns, rashes, thyroid health, mucus dissolver. Let's talk about this for a second. If you know who Dr. Sebi is, he believed that there was just only one disease, and that was mucus. So this sea moss actually helps dissolve mucus, which is super great. It's good for joint tissue health, immune health, inflammatory, antidiuretic, anti-cancerous, antioxidant, antiviral. It's good for ulcers and also digestive health, among many other things. This is your superfood like no other. Hey, it's your girl Tonya, sending you a bunch of love, harmony, peace, joy, and happiness right to you. Take it all. It is all for you. Today, I will be showing you how to make sea moss gel. Guys, this is so essential for your health. It's supposed to have like 92 minerals of the 102 we need for our body. And it's just really great. It's good for skin, hair, nails, bones, thyroid health. And you can put it in smoothies, soups, stews, salad dressings, skincare products. It's a nutritious boost and unforgettable texture. I'm gonna show you how to clean it, show you what it looks like. And yeah, this one is by Akin Pierre. And I will let you see a close up. Boop, 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 boop. Feel the heartbeat? All right, so I'm gonna show you all what it looks like. I'm actually just going to use a small one. I don't want a really big one. I don't want to make that much. But that's how it looks. See, they just come in these bunches like this. I'll give you a close-up. Okay, so that is a close-up of what it actually looks like. So I'm only gonna do this much because I don't want to make a whole lot of it. All right, so this is actually crafted in St. Lucia. You'll see particles and different things in it because it's literally from the sea. Okay, we're getting ready to rinse this off. First, you want to just run some warm water on it and just kind of rinse it and get it clean. So after you have rinsed it thoroughly, it should look like this. It has expanded. It's not those tight little crumbles that you saw in the very first beginning. So, you guys, this crafted sea moss smells like the ocean. Hey, yeah, look, get a sniff. Get a sniff. Y'all smell that? So, you see how it has expanded through the rinsing process and washing, and I'm still not finished. I have 2 of my limes cut here, and what I'm going to do is rinse it again with lime juice. That lime juice is going to help it cleanse even more, okay? So I'm gonna take spring water and I'm just gonna pour some in here and squeeze this lime juice inside of here, and we're gonna give it another toss and some more cleanse. Okay, so then you're just still going to cleanse it. You're gonna flip it around, make sure this sea moss is really, really clean, because after this process, we'll let it soak, and I'll show you just how to do that. But I just want to make sure this is very much so cleansed. And we're gonna go from there. that it's all cleaned, we are going to get it ready for the gel. So that is what it should look like. As you can see, it has expanded so much, and honestly it's going to expand even more. So you're gonna take your spring water or alkaline water and you're gonna fill it up just a little above your sea moss. And I'm gonna take the other 2 limes that I had and I'm going to squeeze the juice inside. Oh. And you can just leave the limes inside of there and set it to the side. Next, what you're gonna do is set this to the side. Now, 4 hours is the minimum that you can start blending this up to make your gel. But I'm letting mine set overnight because that's what I did the last time I made it and it turned out really well. So I will suggest that you all let it sit overnight. Just set it to the side and let it do its thing. And I will show you exactly what it looks like in the morning. So this is what it's looking like. All right, so now that these have soaked overnight, I'm going to take my limes out. And I just want to show you how they have expanded even more. Look at that. Way more than what it looked like. Like, I want to show you this one. See how that looks? It looks way different from like this. And that is perfectly fine. That's part of nature. That's part of being in its original state. So you won't have unified sea moss. It will look different, but it's perfectly fine. So the next step is just putting it over here. I'm gonna use my neutral bullet. That's what I have to work with right now. And I'm thinking this is gonna be a 2-part mixture because I don't wanna put too much in here. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my spring water and let's move this out of the way so that you can see it clearly. And I'm going to go about that much where the sea moss is a little bit over, because if you make it too thin with too much water, you've kind of messed up. So it's better to just keep testing it to make sure that you have that perfect consistency, because you do not want it to be watery, but you just kind of want it like a good gel, you guys. All right, let's mix it up. Okay, so this is definitely the consistency that you want. But this is going to fill up my little mason jar. And I have my spatula here because we're getting all of this goodness and putting it in here. I failed to mention a little bit earlier that the lime also neutralizes that taste, so you don't have that ocean taste in it. And you can put this in your smoothies, oatmeal porridge, wherever you want to put it in. I'm going to make this batch for skin because when I tell you that it has our skin radiant, I mix it with turmeric and I put it on my face as a mask, and you guys, I love it. It will have your skin just radiant. So this is what my sea moss and turmeric looks like. Okay, so this definitely has to be stored in the refrigerator. I have my sea moss. You all, this stuff is loaded with minerals, B5, B9. It's good for so many different things. And this is our face mask. I will be putting that in the refrigerator also. You can store it up to 6 months. but I'm sure it'll be gone by then because I'm gonna put this in everything. This water that's left over, not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I'm not going to dump it. I'll probably feed my plants with it or make a spritz for my hair or something like that. But anyways, I hope you all have the most amazing day. Remember to live, love, laugh, and create. Until the very next time, later.